What stings? My shoes or her shoes?
My shoes. I'm just saying that, right? My shoes.
My
I
shoes?
need new shoes.
That's quite good.
Joe needs to hurry or else we're gonna be trying to look at a watch that's dead.
Yep.
My narrative
Yes.
is
Got a minute.
escorted Scott to bowling, then the park, where we ate lunch, I guess.
Mine is staff picked up whoever. We go to the bowling alley. We meet up with friends at the bowling alley. They bowl. They have fun. We finish and leave. We get lunch and we go to Freeman Park and eat and play basketball.
Yeah.
That's my narrative. Did we tell you about the kid that sneezed in the line at Kings Island and he lost it?
Oh no.
Like this kid kept on sneezing and kept on sneezing. He could not quit, and that's what we got the whole time at line. I felt so bad. Like, dude, just quit. It's a sneeze. The boy can't help it. It's allergies. Just calm down. No, I got that the whole dang time.
Yeah. What the?
That's what I try to figure about you every day.
Oh, Chris.
Huh?
He'll watch it later.
Okay.
On YouTube.
Okay. Your mouth is dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell it is. When your mouth gets dry, your top lip sticks to your teeth and it's funny looking.
Hey.
Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
His mouth gets dry, his lip
Yep.
sticks to the top teeth. Is that better?
Yeah, you?
No?
That's funny.
Your battery's about to die.
I know.
Is that what, 20%?
Really?
Yeah.
You sneezed.
I did sneeze, it happens. Everybody sneezes.
That's awesome. We need 50 million likes for that.
All right, I'm done.
Yep.
Oh, she went through and fixed a bunch of my tasks and stuff. I
Really?
don't have 21 anymore.
That's good.
Alright guys, I see you guys. See you the video guys. Alright guys, that's it. See you next video. My battery back tonight anyway. I'll charge it. All good.
Some of them are
That's
just
it, guys.
dumb,
Peace out.
you know.
Peace.